Looking for a great gadget? Our selection of the latest gadget reviews will help you find the ideal drones, GPS devices, toys and more. Also the latest reviews on laptop, mobile phone reviews, tablets, cameras and other gadgets reviews. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Anki OVERDRIVE is the world's most intelligent battle racing system. These aren't just cars, these are robots programmed to battle on tracks you construct in seconds. Control them with your smart device and take down opponents in a variety of game modes. Your experience with Anki OVERDRIVE starts with construction. Open the box and build one of 8 battle tracks quickly and easily. From there, the Anki OVERDRIVE app handles everything else, from getting you connected to teaching you gameplay, so you can start playing immediately. The more you play, the more weapons and upgrades you unlock for your cars. By equipping new weapons, special items, and upgrades, you can customize each of your cars to make them your own. There are over 350 different weapons and upgrades for you to unlock and discover. And that's just the starter kit. Once you've mastered the basics, take your game to the next level by adding more track pieces and supercars. Just like choosing maps in video games, how you build the track has a big impact on gameplay. Anki OVERDRIVE offers a ton of ways to play, like a multi-hour campaign with over 25 AI commanders for you to compete against. You can go it solo, or team up with friends for cooperative play. Want to play by your own rules? Head into open play and choose from one of 5 game types. And your experience doesn't stop there. App updates keep the gameplay fresh, bringing you new features and functionality. Anki OVERDRIVE. It's easy to pick up and nearly impossible to put down.